嗨，大家好，我是 Afra， 终于和大家见面了。之前很简单的，只是想和大家分享 DIY 的经验，但是呢，有观众跟我建议可以露个脸，提高订阅率。还有观众建议我可以说英文，可以把观众群拓展更开。So this will be a 2-in-1 video, but I'm still not going to speak in English, because someone will do that for me. 根本不会。大家有没有这种眨眼睛的困扰？因为我没有办法眨眼睛。有没有？太像小智障了。Alright, let's get started.
Everybody knows this situation. You look down at your little dress over here, your striped dress, and there's a little hole there. And you're like, oh crap! I can't spend $150 US to fix this thing. And I don't know how to sew. And who knows how large that hole is? It could be tiny. This could be a giant dress for all I know. Well, you're in luck, because this video is going to show you how to fix that hole. Here, you turn it sideways, get your little needle there between your two fingers, put your other hand under the dress, turn it inside out, because we all know the side that you're working on now is going to be the inside of the dress, because you want to show the stitch on the outside. Alright, so here we go. You put the needle through around the outside of this small hole. I admit it is a small hole. Go through. You're trying to make a little ripple pattern with the fabric, rippling it over and over. And you gotta have a good eye to do this. Fold the fabric in on itself. You're sort of bunching it up, making that hole smaller, sort of closing in the hole, if you will. Right, and all the while you're putting that needle head through each little crimp you're making. See there? You can see it right there. There's 3. Going for another. Just going for the glory here with the 4th crimp. Yep. And there it goes. Nope. There it goes. Through that 4th crimp. Now you're pulling it through. And remember that this thread's got a tie on the end, so you can just get that little needle right through there so easily. Yep. Right through there. Pull it there, and it's tied. And you're done. I think. Seemingly no. Maybe more steps here. I don't know. Right, we're going back for more. I'm gonna clean this little puppy up. Yep, there's another little hole there. Gotta get that through there, just in case. Don't want to embarrass yourself. Get this thing cleaned up. Right, just go through there. Go through that little loop you made. Tie it off like a nice little bow. Hey man, tie it off again, why not? Better safe than sorry. And put your little finger on that loop, pull it. Yeah, keep it tight, guys. Like, you gotta cinch that thing. And it'll be a cinch. This was a cinch. We all know the final step, cutting it. Right there. Snip, done. And look at your dress. I think it's a dress. It might be a tablecloth. You're done. You're donezo. Pull that baby back outside in. Yep, see? Right there. Done. Pull it through. And no one is the wiser. Unless they were really close to your dress. And in that case, that person's a pervert. And you don't want to be associated with them, so run away. And you're done. That looks great. slow motion effect on this shot. Iron it. Oh, we are really going for the glory here. You iron that thing? I couldn't tell with my own 2 peepers. This is great. Oh, that was really great, guys. Really great job. So easy, and you saved upwards of $3,000 US. Always a good time. Bye-bye.